So that's a Hitachi Seiki high-tech HT23. It has a 10-inch chuck on it. Pretty traditional 2-axis turning center with quick change tooling, so we kind of like that for quick changeovers.
So right now the machine's doing a large inner radius with a profile tool, taking multiple passes to control chips. This is a roller. It's a straightening roll. We've been running a family of them. All the basic components the same size, but all the OD radiuses are different on multiple parts. We're running 6 different parts with a different OD radius on them for different size bars for straightening.
So those particular parts, they have 1045 steel. They have a couple of turning operations with some bearing journals. After which we got to take it over to the mill because we're doing engraving. They want part numbers engraved real nice and pretty, so we're going to do that. And then they get black oxide finished after that.
About 50 pieces total. About, it's probably about 4 days worth of work.
For us internally, we treat every project like a craftsman. We're making good quality, good looking parts. Yeah, not everything is a piano, but we kind of give it that special touch to make sure they look good and presentable.